Blizzard. A blizzard is a very strong snowstorm that combines heavy snowfall with powerful winds. In a blizzard, the snow falls quickly and the wind blows it around, making it hard to see even a few meters ahead. The air feels extremely cold, and moving outside becomes dangerous. Blizzards can last for many hours or even days. During this time, roads may be blocked, power lines can fall, and people are often advised to stay indoors for safety. Travelers may get stuck, and outdoor activities usually stop until the storm is over. The word blizzard is often used for the most severe winter storms, where both snow and wind are strong enough to make normal life very difficult. A true blizzard is not just about heavy snow, but also about the combination of snow, wind, and freezing temperatures that create extreme conditions.